Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Lawson with Custom Offsets. Today, I'm joined with my boss once again, Nate, to go over some this or that questions.
Part 2 of your review.
Part 2 of my review. All right, if you guys need wheels, tires, or suspension, you guys already know, customoffsets.com. Let's freaking hop into it.
Stock luxury truck or dream build base truck?
Dream build base truck. Banker, what are you doing here? What are you doing?
Max is now stranded in Utah because they wrecked his girlfriend's car. Apparently they hit a rock.
What?
Like off-roading with it.
Like a boulder?
Best case scenario, he punctured a tire and he's on the side of the road in the AC waiting for AAA. Worst case scenario, a rock came down a hill, landed in the middle of the freeway, and they just smoked it.
You think Max knows what AAA is, other than batteries?
I don't know, maybe okay, so he's got a girlfriend. That girlfriend has a dad. Dads care about their kids. Ah, AAA. I told you, ask him if it's AAA. We're filming.
Hello?
Oh my.
Yeah.
He interrupted us to show us a wreck.
Max is stranded in Utah.
Max is stranded in Utah.
Max is stranded in Utah.
Because he crashed his girlfriend's car.
Because he crashed his girlfriend's car.
No way.
Something broke.
They hit a rock. They hit a rock. Like, are we calling it a rock, but it's actually a boulder? Or like, how big is this rock?
Have fun doing paperwork.
Love you.
Stock luxury truck or dream build base truck?
Dream build base truck.
I am getting old, so I'm gonna go with a stock luxury truck, man.
I'm older than you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
I'm 27.
I'm 28.
Oh, rip.
Yeah.
You don't act like it. So,
Wow. Shit is getting real on this episode. We're only one question deep.
well, matter of time. Like I said, it's your review, so I'm just being honest, man. Better be honest.
Well, you know the kid in me, because I don't act like it, would choose the big trucks.
Yeah, the Hot Wheels truck.
Yeah, the big Hot Wheels truck with the crap interior, because you want to know what? You can swap all of that.
So if we're talking about just on a level of what makes the most financial sense, to be honest, fully customizing your own thing. You could get exactly what you want, and everything can be replaced. So not to sound like I'm changing sides now, but I might be changing sides now.
See, he called me a kid, but I came out with more knowledge.
Yeah.
Swap that interior. Like Jerry's truck, I get into his Silverado, and he's got like a monitor like this on his dash. It's like, holy smokes, I can't tell if I'm on FM or AM. But his truck looks super nice.
You could also get like the 10.5-inch screen in a higher model truck. So that's the exact argument. A base level truck isn't gonna have that big load.
Or you could install an iPad dash.
Yeah, that's
with
true.
Apple AirPlay.
But I could be driving mine around while yours is sitting in a shop waiting to get fixed up.
Is this a personal attack? 'Cause my truck's not currently being wrapped?
No, not because of that.
Massive 30x16s or modest 20x12s?
For me, it depends on the tire. If you go with the massive wheel, you have to spend a crap ton of money to be able to get a decent fitment look. And I think I would go with the smaller ones, because you can do a big fat 35 and it doesn't look like a mini stretch tire.
30x16s, baby.
Yeah. This is the old man saying that.
I feel like everyone just knows this. I like the wild stuff.
Yeah, there's a
I'm
place
like a kitty
for
in a
it.
candy store.
Yeah, there's a place for it. It's just not quite my style. I like big, chunky tires that, you know, they have like an off-road definition to it, but then making it just full show quality build.
Yeah.
Not that big wheels are bad,
Right.
because I dig them. Obviously, we're surrounded by them.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, that was my big thing, because I am a big fan of like the 24s and 35s and the stretch look, but I'm actually going out of my comfort zone with mine with the 37s, and so it'll be super interesting to see what that looks like. But you're totally correct. That 30x16 video that we recently dropped, yes, it's super sick. Yes, it takes up my whole torso and face.
yeah.
But I mean, no joke, you're looking at least $2,000 a tire to $2,500. You're talking $8,000 to $10,000 in tires, and that's just insane.
It is, and that one being all solid single cast too. That wheel in particular is a very impressive wheel. But
yes,
yeah, it starts a whole new generation. So maybe I'm fading out. Who knows?
Next up, 32s.
Massive tip exhaust or massive stack?
Big tip exhaust.
I agree.
I can't, stacks have come and gone, and I'm okay with that.
Yeah. Don't get me wrong, I see some that are done really well.
Yeah. When we got into the cube stack, that's where you lost me.
Yes.
The cube stacks are a little too much for me. I think a decent done, like mitered single stack on like
Fully
a
polished.
big power build.
Yeah.
That's pretty sick. But no, all this like quad tubes or the new ones that they have a headache rack that the stacks are built into it. What?
Yeah.
Why? No, we're just getting too complicated, and it's.
Or you
I get some people love it though.
Or you get like the graded ones with flames.
Yeah.
Those are sick. No, I would go big exhaust tip. I definitely think, especially like a big axle dump. You know, whether you're diesel or gas, because Sean slapped the axle dump on
that is
CO2.
true.
But either way, it still looks good when it's parked. And yeah, big tip for sure.
Right.
Raptor or Ram TRX?
I am a TRX fanboy, man. I gotta go with the TRX. When they put the heck kitten in there, it's. That's gonna be a insanely cool truck to follow how it progresses.
Yeah, I'd have to agree with the TRX.
If there's no competition in this video, what's the point?
Well, I'm not just gonna change my opinion just to fight with you.
Oh, personal attacks now.
We fought for 10 minutes just on the first question.
I know, and then I switched my answer at the end to make you feel better. Now,
No, that's not how this works. And maybe it's just like the new shiny toy in me because it's new. Where
think
like
that's
the
a huge part
Raptor's been around for a while.
I thought the same thing about the Rebel, and then I quickly lost interest in the Rebel. But I think because this one, it's definitely gonna be a high horsepower build, and I just hope they don't let it die.
Yeah.
But I dig the interior, and for a price point though, to play devil's advocate, the Raptor definitely comes in lower. You can definitely get into one of them for a lot cheaper. Especially
like the earlier generations, because this TRX is not going to be cheap.
No.
With how many options in the motor and like
I think
everything.
we saw some original stuff. It's going to be high 80s.
Yeah.
Starting, and that's.
But you literally get a truck like freshly done. You don't have to do anything.
Yeah, like
even I
like a fully
would
built
not
luxury truck that you don't have to do anything.
That's fine. I didn't say that I hated fully luxury trucks. I said that I preferred lower trim built trucks.
You can prefer what you want, man.
Give me the next question.
90s Ford or 90s Chevy?
Good question. I have a 90s Ford.
I think the only 90s Ford that I liked was the Lightning.
Yeah, I was gonna say the early 90s Fords really had it for me.
So I'd have to pick Chevy.
I like the squarey Fords more than I like the boxy like 98 Chevys that they plagued our high school parking lots.
Come on.
That was like the truck to have because your dad just got rid of it. So it was just a hand-me-down truck, and then you immediately cut all the exhaust off.
Yeah.
That truck, it holds a place in my heart, man, but like those 90s with the step sides, those early Fords really looked great.
I remember I had a 86 Ford pickup, and it was super cool because it was his first truck. It was my dad's, and I was rolling around in a 90 Firebird. We had like this classic car and truck thing going on, and that was super cool. But I think overall, I think the square body Chevy is definitely, the 90s is definitely where I'm at. Oh, bonus!
In a fight to the death with a clone of yourself, would you rather have a hammer or a bat, and why?
Ooh.
To fight myself? What?
I'd take a hammer. Because my knees aren't worth anything, and I would just one to the side, that'd be it. In case you ever need to take me down, go for the knees. Go for the knee shot.
I think I'd go baseball bat.
Yeah?
Just because the hammer, you have to get so close. With a baseball bat, you got a little more reach.
Yeah.
Let's go baseball bat. Just because I'm not like agile,
And you have some aggression against yourself you need to take out?
Yeah. And I feel like a baseball bat's just easy.
See, I'd want to make it quick because I don't want to hurt me.
Oh, I'd beat the shit out of myself.
Whoa.
You ever seen Liar Liar? He's just knocking himself out. It's crazy.
Unhinged.
Yeah. All right, guys, that's what we got for you guys on this episode of This or That. Thank you, Nate, for stopping by.
Thanks for having me.
Arguing with me nonstop about literally everything.
Consistently. It's okay. I'm your boss.
Yeah. If you guys need wheels, tires, or suspension, customoffsets.com. We'll see you guys in the next one. Let's go, baby.